Hey guys, in this video we will make live search in Flask, and I'll get data from my SQL, and we will do this with jQuery Ajax. So we need app.py for basic Flask codes already, and one HTML file and templates folder here. And as I said, we will use jQuery Ajax, so we have to import this for using it. So we can start. Okay. Also, I wanna make this video short, so I don't wanna tell details, and especially Flask and MySQL codes. You probably, if you wanna make live search in Flask, you probably know Flask basics, like from Flask and AppRoot, blah blah AppRun, and also probably you know MySQL basics too. If you don't know, please search it, because as I said, I'll not tell them. Okay, so I start to write. Okay. I'm gonna also use JSON for return data and request for get data, and I am entering my database informations. Yeah, it's ready probably, but also I should run this server. Okay, let's check it. Is there any problem? But also I should probably I don't have to, but I'm gonna write error. Just simple text. Okay. App.py. Is it working? Let's check. Yeah, okay, it's working. So we can write here render underscore template index HTML for call this file. Yeah, and I'm gonna get my data here, another row to another method, another function, and live search. That's live search. Yeah. Okay. My function is ready, and yeah, maybe we can start to write our jQuery codes. Firstly, we need a input type text item, because as I said, we are trying to making live search, so there should be search box. Okay, and ID search box. Okay, whatever, search box. Yeah, there's secret text. We can start to write our recovery codes document ready. And when this text box changed, I'm gonna work my codes. Is it working? Let's check it. Okay, my server stopped. Search box ID change. Sorry, change. Okay, it's working right now. But maybe we can do it more dynamically. Yeah, whatever. And like this, we can start to write our MySQL codes. But firstly, I'm gonna send data from index.html to app.py, and sending data from app.py to index.html. Search box. I'm gonna search box value here to search box variable request form get. Firstly, here we should write here methods post and get, and yeah, text. But we didn't start to write Ajax, so firstly probably we should write Ajax. Okay, I'm starting my Ajax. Method equal to post, because we will send data, and the URL this is same with here, this URL. Okay, and data, I'm gonna send data, and it like this. When search box changed, variable text equal to here what value. Okay, so I get search box value to text variable, and I send this variable to app.py with this name. Okay, so these names should be same. Okay, and if this is success function, rest, I get value. Okay, and for testing, we can write it to console. Yeah, I hope there is no problem. We'll check this already, but there is return. Okay, and also return search box. Okay, we'll try. Is it working? Console. Yeah, it's working right now. Okay, and yeah, maybe we can write here our MySQL codes. Firstly, I open my connection, and sorry, easy query, and execute this query, and get result, all data which returns this query, and return with JSON-FA this result. Okay, we'll see what's happening. Start it again. Yeah, you can see all dates in my table, and we will list this one by one, no problem. And okay, but firstly we should improve our query, because we are trying to make live search, so not all words. Like for an example, I'm trying to tell you, wait please, if my English is enough. When I write here any verb, for an example, apple, firstly word is not important, but characters are important, because if I write here a verb what is starting with a, and I wanna I wanna date is 2 with what is starting with a character. Yeah, you know, when I write here a, there should be apple and like it, account, whatever. And yeah, so we should improve our query. As I said, we should filter it with var like this. Okay, we'll see. This is about SQL queries. And var verb and like I'm gonna use also formats. So yeah, sorry, order by verb and formats, search box. You'll see what am I doing. Okay, when I right here D, yeah, you see here words what is starting with D. Yeah, you understand me. And we should, it's okay already, but we should list these datas. And guys, wait a minute please. You see this, that's an array. So if we reach an data in array, a data in array, we should make an loop, make a loop. So we will use each loop, jQuery loop. Okay, and each with function index value, and yeah, we can write now. Actually, without list. Wait, not need for the moment right now. We will see this console in console value verb ing, if it's working. Yeah, you can see, and like this. Also, we can clear console too. How is it? Oh, okay, it's working. Yeah, like this. Okay, and actually we did our program. So if we wanna list it, we can do it. Okay, and I give you an example. Yeah, here is writing word underscore and because this is my in database column name. Yeah, and yeah, semicolon. Also we will write this variable to any paragraph or another thing in body, id like data, whatever, it's not important. And data dot html and write data. Okay, we will see result. Yeah, like this. Wait, sure. Okay, yeah, like this guys, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.